Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Lowe's Pro ad. Yes, I guess the Lowe's now has a Pro ad, just like pretty much Home Depot. As we can see, this ad is valid February 28th to March 6th. And it says here Lowe's Pro Services, load up on savings. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Lowe's, Home Depot tool reviews and deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. It says loading up on savings, 30% off on building material, 10% off on OSB sheeting. So pretty much we got all kinds of sales going on here for the building material. Okay, to the next page. We got the tool section here. The first item we have is the DeWalt 15 amp 10-inch table saw with folding stand. This is $2.99. So that's recorded. I know that they do have a cordless. I did do an email just not too recently. I will be posting it either before or after this video, showing the cordless. I think it's the 60 volt cordless table saw. It's like an 8 1/4 or something like that. I can't remember, but like an 8-inch table saw, and it is cordless. Not this one. That one's corded. So. This one's the Bosch 15 amp 10-inch table saw with rolling stand. You got it for $4.99. Doesn't give me any details, but all it says cheap info. Okay, yeah, so it does give me more info. It's powerful 10-inch worksite table saw, 15 amp, 4.0 max horsepower. 3,650 RPM. Okay. Let's go back. We got this one. We got a Bosch 1 horsepower cold variable speed fixed corded router for $89. And this one we got a little sanding kit. DeWalt 3 amp variable speed palm grip sander with soft case, $69. We got a Bosch 18 piece T-shank jigsaw blades for $14.98. This is the Bosch 6.5 amp T-shank variable speed corded jigsaw, $99. And then we got the Bostitch 15 degree 1 3/4 coil. 1 3/4 inch coil roofing pneumatic nailer for $1.99. We got the 3M 10-pack sanding and fiberglass valve respirators for $22.65. I use these all the time. They're not rated for pest control use, but I do pest control, and pretty much I'm breathing all that stuff every day, so these do help. These stop a lot of that material that's in the air. You get the DeWalt 420 volt max lithium cordless combo kit with soft case, $2.49. It looks like the older tools here. Still not set, you know, but it is the older tools from DeWalt. Not that bad though for $2.49. You got the DeWalt 16 piece bimetal reciprocating saw set with $24.90 for $24.98. Looks like it does come with a little case. You got the DeWalt 28 piece 20 volt max XR brushless cordless oscillating tool, or the multi-tool kit, $179. Guess it does come with these little things and like a little storage case there. All right, we got some Irwin stuff. Let's see here. Irwin 11-inch basin wrench, $13.98. Irwin 1 1/4 ratcheting PVC cutter, $16.98. Irwin 7/8 inch copper tube cutter, $10.98. Yeah, these tools are different, but they're still tools. Alright, I'm not gonna go over those. Those are not tools. Alright, looks like that's it for this one. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.